A lot of people would love you to follow them. And it doesn't matter what you do or where you're at, especially during the social media era. Now, the key question here is, how do you make people follow you? How? How do you position yourself to make an impact in the world? How do you make a difference in the world? The key word here is influence. Yes, the key to making a difference in the world is influence. Now, what is influence? Influence is the capacity and ability to affect and effect circumstances in your environment. And that is called making a difference. Now, let me enlighten you and give you a few things that you probably haven't heard in a long time or ever. You were not born just to make a living. No, I refuse to believe that. You were not born just to pay bills. Uh-uh. You were not born just to eat and breathe oxygen. No, I'm convinced you were not born just to make a living, but you were born to make a difference. You were born to change the world from the way you met it. You were never sent here to leave the world the way you met it when you arrived. No. And with that being said, what is the source of influence? What makes a person influential? Okay, a few things on the list. Number one, position. Yes, and I want you to understand this and process it. Number one is position, your position. Number two, power. Number three, knowledge. Yes, knowledge. Number four, expertise. Your expertise, your gift. Number five, experience. Number six, survivor character. Number seven, dedication to purpose. And number eight, well. Now, people who change the world are people who are experiencing all of these on the list, or three or more. And now, which one of these influences are the most powerful? And that, people, is the power of wealth. Yes, the power of wealth. That is why it is important for you to have a mindset to be able to build wealth. Not just wealth, but generational wealth. Stop keeping up with the Joneses. Trust me, it's not necessary. It's not important. The mindset starts now. Remember, you cannot disciple what you can influence.